Trading with Fibonacci retracements is one possible strategy for trading markets that are on extreme trend days. Let's take a look. This is the Emini S&P market. I have a 10-minute candlestick chart up on my screen right now with the InfinityAT charts for a second. The market's trading down at 30.41. 43 and a quarter. It's quite volatile, and we're in a big downtrend. So what I'm going to look for from a day trade point of view is continuing the assumption that the downtrend is going to go forward, and so I'm looking for places to sell. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my fib by clicking on the pencil in the upper right hand corner, activating the drawing area, and I go over to the left hand side, and there's a menu with a whole bunch of options. I'm going to go for the Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to click on that fib retracement, and I'm going to set my settings. I don't want negatives. 0 is good, all the way to 100. I don't want over 100. That's just me. You could also customize it as well if you want by putting in a number there in the percent and adding it. But I'm not going to do that. We're going to keep with 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%. I'm going to hit the done button. Now I'm going to draw my fib from last night's high. This is probably around 330. Click once, drag my mouse all the way down to this morning's, and now I've just applied a Fibonacci retracement study onto the chart. And you can see we have the 38.2% level. The very first level is up here around 30.60. The market's trading around 30.48. So one strategy is to be patient. I want to go short, but I just don't want to sell it randomly. So one strategy would be to actually go ahead and try to wait for the market to retrace back up to the 38.2% level and then sell a contract. And notice coincidentally, this line I drew earlier of the support that turns into resistance coincides with that, giving me another validation that maybe this is a good idea. It might not be, but let me show you how it looks. I'm going to go to the sell button on the upper right, and I'm going to open up a sell ticket. I'm going to drag it up here. I know it seems like a long way away, right south, just short of the 38 level. I'm going to add an auto exit. We're going to put that up above the 61. I know it's a lot of real estate there. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit a auto exit limit. Sorry about the pop-ups. Back down toward the very low. I'm going to hit the sell button. And I've sent to the exchange an OTC, order triggers order. This is my limit order right here at this price at 59.5. And once that's filled, then this bracket order will go ahead and be sent to the exchange also. This is server-side instructions, so you don't have to worry. And this is my stop up here, and this is my target down here. Once those things are initiated and sent to the exchange, they become an OCO, order cancels order. And I know that it looks like a long way away, but patience is very important. Now, the trick here also is if we do make new lows, then you're going to have to wait for a new low to be established, and you're going to have to drag your fib line lower to capture that and then readjust your entries. Hope that helps.